Hello, and welcome back to Life 4.0. In this episode, we explore one of the most popular destinations in Norway, the Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock. This rock precipice stands an astonishing 600 meters, or nearly 2,000 feet, above the waters of the Lisa Fjord below. Formed from the Ice Age some 10,000 years ago, the site was popularized by Tom Cruise in the movie Mission Impossible Fallout, as he scales the cliff in the final fight scene. For the rest of us, it is a rigorous but rewarding day hike, with the trailhead easily accessible by bus from the nearby city of Stavanger. Whether you are visiting Norway by sailboat as we were, by cruise ship, or by your own car, Preikestolen should be on your short list of sites to experience in Norway. While you can see Preikestolen from down at the water level, or if your wallet allows, from a helicopter above, using your 2 feet to get to the top is the most scenic and exhilarating. If you have your own wheels, a car or a camper van perhaps, you can park in one of several car parks adjacent to the trailhead. The spaces fill up quickly during the peak season, so it is best to get there early. We found it easiest to take a bus from downtown Stavanger. We used a company called Go Fjords, and they will drop you off right at the entrance to the trail. There are a few shops at the trailhead with gear and food, but it is best to pack what you need ahead of time. The trail is about 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles long, and typically takes about 2 to 3 hours each way. It is mildly strenuous, and will require you to negotiate several big rocks in a few places. In the steeper sections, substantial stone steps have been built, the height of which may be a challenge for children and shorter adults. There are also several narrow or suspended sections where you will want to be extra careful. These tricky areas are balanced by peaceful paths on elevated walkways through meadows and past tranquil high mountain lakes, providing the perfect opportunity for a snack stop and respite from the heart-pounding climb up the stairs. In the last kilometer, you will be rewarded with sweeping vistas of the surrounding peaks and deep, lush valleys that form the striking geography of this region of Norway. The final few minutes of the hike can be the most heart-pounding, it certainly was for me, as the path cuts across a narrow stone ledge crowded with people passing each other shoulder to shoulder. The common rules about passing others to the right go out the window, as no one wants to be forced too close to the edge. It gets better though. The path widens, and soon you are at the end of the trail. If it is a sunny summer day like it was for us, you can expect to wait in a long line at the actual Pulpit Rock, a fairly flat outcropping of about 25 meters square, to take pictures. Or, equally entertaining, you can just sit back and watch what silly risks people take to get the best possible Instagram post. It is good fun. From our perch, we could even spot a sailboat motoring up the Lisa Fjord, what we would be doing the very next day. When you tire of scrambling along ledges that drop 600 meters to the water, there are plenty of other rocky bits from which to take in the splendor of nature here. Just off the official trail, I found a perch to launch our drone to get a bird's eye view of all that is Preikestolen. Join us next time as we voyage into the beautiful Lisa Fjord, where we get up close and personal with impressive waterfalls and experience another heart-pounding hike up the longest wooden staircase in the world at Fjordli. Once again, this is Tom from Life 4.0. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave a comment. We always appreciate hearing from you. Please consider giving us a thumbs up, as it helps others find this kind of content. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing to Life 4.0. Fair winds!